There's something falling from the sky. I'm being told by our weather experts at KXAN News that it's called rain. We're not used to rain here in Austin, so I'm going around and doing what people tell me to do, whether it's on Facebook Live or in person, and I'm gonna do it because I wanna know how people stay entertained in Austin when it rains. I would stay indoors if it was my choice. If you're just joining us, I've been told that one thing people like to do when it's raining is try to sneak under people's umbrellas while they're walking around. Okay, I guess I'm going to do this. Hi, mind if I sneak under a little bit? Hi, I'm getting wet. Sorry. All right, what do you do when it rains?
You need good porches.
And then sit?
And sit and like just take in the sounds.
We can do that. People are just wanting me to do ridiculous things in the rain, I think. That's what this segment's turning into. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. Can I get under your umbrella?
Sure.
Okay,
Sure.
I'm gonna get under here. Thank you. Now we're friends. Yeah. What have you done for fun today?
Today, just walk around.
Just walk around?
Yeah.
You guys are brave. Well, I guess that's the key, is look on the bright side. It's kind of nice and different. Isn't this what you want, Facebook? Are you not entertained?